Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pancakes using biscuits. First, gather your ingredients: a can of refrigerated biscuits, a splash of milk, and your griddle. Next, gently flatten each biscuit with your hands or a rolling pin until it's about 1/4 inch thick. This helps them cook evenly and resemble traditional pancakes. Finally, preheat your griddle to a medium heat, around 350 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring it's ready for cooking. Now, carefully place your flattened biscuits onto the hot griddle. Give them some space so they don't stick together. Cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes on the first side, or until you see bubbles forming and the edges look set. Then, flip them over and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until both sides are a beautiful golden brown. Make sure they are cooked through, reaching an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your biscuit pancakes are cooked, it's time to serve them up. They are absolutely delicious warm with classic maple syrup. You can also add fresh berries like strawberries or blueberries for a burst of flavor. For a sweeter treat, consider a dollop of whipped cream or a sprinkle of chocolate chips. Don't be afraid to get creative. Some people even enjoy them with savory toppings like bacon or a fried egg. So there you have it, a super easy way to make delicious pancakes using canned biscuits. This method is perfect for a quick breakfast or brunch, saving you time without sacrificing flavor. Remember, the best part is customizing them with your favorite toppings, whether sweet or savory. We hope you enjoy this simple recipe. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.